on the pitch, where your knowledge of sports will be tested with the same adrenaline you feel in a last ball finish or in a photo finish sprint. This is not just a quiz. It's a face-off as intense as a World Cup final, as nail-biting as a penalty shootout, and as legendary as a record-breaking run. Do you have the drive to take on our challenge? Legendary moments have defined the world of sports. Thrilling victories, heartbreaking losses, and rivalries that echoed across generations. After all, only the true sports champions will emerge victorious with nerves of steel and a heart that beats for the game. Will you sprint ahead of the pack or will you falter at the final hurdle? We are honored to have with us here today Mr. Anthony Rodriguez, a dynamic leader, accomplished quizzer, and a passionate sports enthusiast. Since 2022, he has served as the dedicated moderator of the Jyoti unit at Loyola School. And in 2025, he was appointed as the Jyoti coordinator, guiding and motivating young minds with unmatched enthusiasm. His commitment to excellence in quizzing is equally inspiring. He emerged victorious in the Teachers' Quiz hosted by none other than Barry O'Brien. And from 2016 to 2022, he led the Loyola Quiz Club as its moderator. Mr. Rodriguez is sure to bring insight, excitement, and energy to our event. Let's put our hands together and give a warm welcome to our quiz master for the day, Mr. Anthony Rodriguez.
Thank you, Divyansh, for your overwhelming introduction. Good morning to each and everyone present over here. We now arrive at the most awaited event of Rhapsody, Quiz on the Pitch, a high-spirited quiz dedicated to the world of sports. From the green cricket grounds to the roaring football stadiums, from Olympic podiums to legendary records, this quiz is set to capture the excitement, the glory, and the stories that make sports unforgettable. So get ready to cheer our brilliant teams take the stage to prove that when it comes to sports knowledge, they can dribble, sprint, and smash their way to victory. Now let us welcome the real stars of this event with a loud applause. In Team 1, we have a team which were the 2011 NBA champions and famous for their passionate fan base. Up on stage are the Dallas Mavericks. Teams, kindly take the stage. I move on to the next team on stage. The team that made history by winning their first NBA championship in the year 2019. Here comes the Toronto Raptors. Next on stage is the team known for legends like Messi, Xavi, and Iniesta. Welcome on stage the team Barcelona. Next on stage is the team that is the powerhouse of European football with 6 Champions League titles and 19 English League trophies, the Liverpool. The fifth team on the stage is well known as the Old Lady, is one of the most successful clubs in Serie A with legends like Del Piero, Buffon, and even Cristiano Ronaldo. And the team is Juventus. And the last team to take the stage is nicknamed as the Toffees. They are known for their loyal supporters. Here are the Everton team. Put your hands together for our quizzing athletes of the day. Let the quiz begin. Let's have the first slide. Rules of this quiz: there will be 5 rounds altogether. Scoring for every round will be informed before the round. The decision of the quiz master is final. Happy quizzing. Move to the next slide. Round 1. Format of this is, pay attention here, it is a direct plus buzzer round. What it means is, if the team is getting a direct question, the buzzer is on for all others. You can press the buzzer if you know it is not a direct for you. I will get the answer from the team which has got the direct question. If they are not able to answer, I will go to the one which has pressed the buzzer. Remember to press the buzzer the moment you see the question, not whether they are answering wrong or correct. First 6 questions in clockwise direction, next 6 questions in anti-clockwise direction. As soon as the question is displayed, the first team to press the buzzer will get an option to answer the question if the direct team is unable to answer. If it is a direct question, plus 20, no negative marking. And if you have pressed the buzzer, then it is plus 10 or minus 10. Okay, so the rules are clear. Any questions? Okay, so we move to question number 1, that is direct to Mavericks. Who is the designer of this dress and what was it used for? Answering? No. So Team Barcelona has pressed the buzzer. Please answer in the mic.
It was used in the Paris Olympics 2024 for the Indian team in the opening ceremony.
It was used for?
In the opening ceremony by the Indian team.
Do you think this is perfectly, both the parts are correct?
The designer was
Who's the designer then?
Manish Malhotra.
Okay, I can't give full points. A part of the answer is right, a part of the answer is not correct. Answer please. So you can see the answer. The designer is Tarun Tehlani. That was India's ceremonial dress for Paris Olympics. Give them half the point. Okay. Next question goes to the Raptors. So your question comes here. X had purchased Y for 17 years, purchasing it for the first time in 2003, having paid 1.5 million every year. After an unfortunate event in the year 2020, X received a payout of 114 million pound. Identify X and Y. Yes, Team Raptors, are you taking a call? No, so the buzzer pressed by Everton.
X is Barcelona and Y is Lionel Messi.
X is Barcelona.
And Y is Lionel Messi.
That's the wrong answer. Anyone in the audience taking a guess that 2020 is a big hint? An unfortunate event in the year 2020. Anyone in the audience taking a hint? That was, X was Wimbledon, and due to Corona, they cannot hold it that year, and so the pandemic insurance was that Y. We move to the next slide, question number 3. XY's nickname is one of the most memorable in modern history. Thanks to the famous artist Drake, the song was released in July 2013, 1 year before his first All-Star appearance. ZY is a play on the player's ability to cook his opponents on the basketball court. Here are the lyrics from 0 to 100, the catch-up, that include his famous nickname. I been XY with the shot, been cooking with the sauce. ZY with the pot, boy identify the nickname ZY? No one going for the buzzer? A big hint over here. Will you answer? No. So I am giving some hint. Now it becomes a buzzer for all. The one who presses the buzzer will get the chance to answer. A hint over there, first of all, take a look at that first all-star appearance. You get to see that word cook. And also, Drake has a tattoo made of his jersey number, that is 3030. That's a big hint, 3030, and a basketball well-known player. Okay, Everton has gone for it. Answer?
Is it Chef Curry?
Wow, that's a wonderful answer. It's Chef Curry. Okay, so 10 points to Everton. We move to the next question. So that is for Liverpool. A test match between India and England in 1990 saw a young Sachin Tendulkar win the Man of the Match award. Followed by this were some moments of elation and celebration by the young gun, having scored his maiden test century on the English soil. However, the following day, Manchester police issued a warning notice to the event organizers in view of a particular incident, stating that they would not treat it as a serious offense due to the prevailing circumstances. What led the police to issuing this warning? Team Liverpool. The year 1990, England, Manchester, and a celebration by Sachin Tendulkar getting a warning. So, Barcelona? Mic on.
Sachin was underage at that time and he celebrated with champagne.
What do you all think? Sachin getting issued a warning for celebrating with a champagne? Wonderful answer. Barcelona, you get it correct. Now, next question for the team Juventus. An extremely important, yes, yet unusually neglected item used in this sport has extremely specific and regulated dimensions. An excerpt from Law 8.3b of the official rules of the sport states, each dash shall conform to the following. Overall length 10.95 centimeter, length of the barrel 5.4 centimeter, longer spigot 3.49 centimeter, shorter spigot 2.06 centimeter. What is being talked about? Team Juventus. Put the mic on. Yes. Sorry.
Badminton.
Badminton is a wrong answer. Anyone taking it up? Okay, yes, Raptors. Are you saying cricket bails with the barrel and two different lengths coming there of the spigot? What do you think? Is that the correct answer? Yes, it is the bails. So well done, Raptors. Now, next question please, question number 6. X is a term that describes a common practice in competitive sports which has now transcended into everyday life and quizzing too. Thanks to social media, the practice is believed to be as old as the professional sports itself. It is believed that one Australian sportsman from the 60s indulged in this practice. Virat Kohli is said to have mastered the art. Identify the term X, which enjoys a few patrons even in a space like quizzing. Team Everton. Yes, you need to answer now.
Is it a cover drive?
It is.
Cover drive.
Cover drive is the wrong answer. Anyone taking it? Okay, Juventus has it. Huh? Chase is a wrong answer, so they get a negative -10. There was a big hint in Australian sportsman and Virat Kohli. And you enjoy when Virat Kohli does that. What is that? Sledging. Sledging. You just missed it. Now we move to question number 7, which is again for the team Everton. So the next question you see there, origin of this indoor sport is believed to be the Indian subcontinent. It has been popular sports in Indian schools because of its low investment and maintenance. The sports itself is still to catch the fancy of the world at large. With the international body being formed as recently as 1988, identify the sport that found a new following in India with its appearance in the movie Munna Bhai MBBS.
Carom.
Wonderful answer. Carom is the correct answer. The next question for Juventus. Which is the only team in the world to win a 60 over, 50 over and a 20 over World Cup in cricket?
India.
India winning all the 3 formats. 60 over, 50 over and 20 over. Wonderful answer. We are the only team to do that, and I don't think this record will ever get broken. So 20 for Juventus. Now next question to Liverpool. Next question please. In tennis, the Golden Slam means winning the Australian Open, French Open, British Open, US Open plus Olympic gold medal in the same year. Who is the only tennis player to have achieved this feat? Take a try, it's a direct for you. You can take a guess also.
Steffi Graf.
So that was a guess. Was that a guess? So I told you, take a guess, you might get it correct. Wonderful answer. It's Steffi Graf. Next question is for Team Barcelona. So, where would you find Yatra, Pratibha, Avsara, Prapnoti engraved, which literally translates to where talent meets opportunity?
Khelo India Youth Games.
Khelo India Youth is wrong. Anyone had went for the buzzer?
IPL.
IPL what?
Trophy.
Wonderful answer. It's written in the IPL trophy. So must have noticed this if you are watching IPL. Now the direct question to Team Raptors. Take a proper look at the question. Try to identify the hints. During 2020-22 era, an Indian YouTuber X popularized the sport. Why? With his passion toward the sport and brought a type of audience out of which most didn't even know why. But due to the streamer style of portraying that sport, they watched and played it. X's career is nowhere related to why. X used to play the sport with professionals of the sport in very interesting manner, and they went from giving commentary to playing it themselves. X recently is the news in light of a controversy. You have to identify X and Y.
X is Samay Raina, Y is chess.
Wonderful answer. So that was Samay Raina and chess. The last question of this first round goes to Team Mavericks. In Formula One, which driver holds the record for the most consecutive race wins in a single season, winning 10 consecutive races?
Lewis Hamilton.
Lewis Hamilton is the wrong answer. Anyone went for the buzzer?
Michael Schumacher. Michael Schumacher.
Sorry, Michael Schumacher is also wrong. Yes, anyone answering?
Max Verstappen. Max Verstappen.
Yes, that is Max Verstappen. Okay. So we come to the end of the first round. Scorers, if you are ready with the points, kindly announce it.
Team Mavericks is yet to open their account and they're at 0 points. Team Everton is at 10 points. Team Barcelona is at 15 points. Team Liverpool and Juventus are both tied at 20 points. And Team Raptors is currently leading the quiz at 30 points.
So let's put the slide for the second round. It's a connect round. Format remains the same. That is direct plus buzzer. So first 6 questions will be going in the clockwise direction. And then about the direct and buzzer round already made clear. Same point system plus 20, no negative, plus 10, minus 10. So the first question goes to Team Mavericks. Connected, take a proper look at who all are there. Yes, Team Mavericks. Clive Lloyd, Viv Richards, Mohinder Amarnath, David Boone, Wasim Akram, Shane Warne, Ricky Ponting, Gilchrist, Dhoni, Faulkner, and Stokes. Answer.
Wicketkeeper and batsman winning the World Cups.
Wicket keeper and?
Batsman winning the World Cups.
Oh, where did you see Boone doing wicket keeping? Mohinder Amarnath doing wicket keeping. So, buzzer, yes, Liverpool.
Players who have won the World Cup.
Players who have won?
The World Cup.
Very sorry, I can't give you for that. No, already won. Anyone in the audience?
Man of the match in finals.
Very good. Man of the match in the finals of World Cup. How could you all miss that? Okay, next question, number 2 goes to Raptors. Take a proper look. Try to see the ones which are later on. Okay, you have Andre Agassi, second row, the second one, Nadal, then you have Djokovic, and then Federer is also there. So, Team Raptors. Take a try. You don't have a negative here. Don't leave it like that.
They have all won the Grand Slam.
They have all won the Grand Slam. So Grand Slam in what way? In any particular Grand Slam, like a US Open
US
or a
Open,
Wimbledon?
French Open, Australian.
You want to say they have won all the 4 Grand Slam in their career. Wonderful answer. They have won all the 4 Grand Slam which is there. Okay, next question goes to Team Barcelona. Take a proper look and relate the person linked to this.
F1 constructors.
No, it is not F1 cars. Then we could have had so many of them over there. So, no points. Yes. Mike. No, you have to answer now. No, same answer. Formula 1 cars, constructor company, same answer. What the audience thinks, what is it? It is Fernando Alonso. He has driven all these cars. We move to the next question for Team Liverpool. Take a proper look, think and decide.
Players who have played all 18 seasons of IPL.
So you think all of them have played all these seasons of IPL, even Manish Pandey?
No, I'm saying that they are the players who were present in 2008's IPL and even in this IPL.
Okay, I give it to them. they are players those who have played all edition of the IPL. So Liverpool gets that point. Okay. Now, next question we move for team Juventus. Let's see, recognize the players, think and answer. It is crackable. You have Michael Jordan, LeBron James, Magic Johnson, Abdul Karim, Larry Bird, then comes Shaq O'Neal, Tim Duncan, Kobe Bryant, then Duncan, Durant, and then Kawhi Leonard.
They all have played for Lakers.
They have all played for Lakers. Do you think Michael Jordan played for Lakers? Huh? I will, so now I am going to give a hint. So it becomes buzzer for all of you. Okay? I am just telling the numbers with each one of them, going from top this way to this way. I am just telling numbers relate. 6, LeBron James 4, Magic Johnson 3, Kareem 2, Larry Bird 2, Shaq O'Neal 3, Tim Duncan 3, Kobe Bryant 2, Durant 2, Leonard 2. Yes.
These are the numbers that they have won the NBA titles.
NBA titles, not like that, it's wrong. Anyone from the audience?
Most valuable player.
Yes?
Most valuable player per year.
No. They are multi-time winners of NBA Finals MVP. Kobe has won more than 2 NBA titles. Okay? So that was direct to Juventus. Okay, so now direct to team Everton. Your question is, you have to be specific with the answer because it's a very easy one.
They all have won the Olympic gold.
They all have won Olympic gold. Wonderful answer, that's correct. So you know the first two, and that's the hockey team winning the gold medal. Okay, we come to the end of this second round. Can we have the score, please?
Team Mavericks yet to open their account at 0 points. Team Juventus has now fallen down to 10 points. Team Barcelona still at 15 points. Team Liverpool again still at 20 points. Team Everton has climbed to 30 points. And Team Raptors have maintained their lead and have gone to 50 points.
So we come to the third round. Rules, please. Now this is audio-visual round, so you'll be getting to hear either an audio or a visual. Format again remains the same, direct plus buzzer round. I will be moving here in anti-clockwise direction now, and the scoring pattern remains the same. Okay? So the first question, your audio-visual. Is the video not playing? It's a direct for Everton. Which famous incident that took place just after this video?
After this incident, Yuvraj Singh has become the first player to hit 6 sixes in an over.
I give you the point, but was Yuvraj Singh the first one to hit 6 sixes in an over?
In a T20 game.
In T20. Who was the first one to do so?
I don't have that.
Herschel Gibbs.
That was Gary Sobbers. And also Ravi Shastri has done it in a first class cricket. Okay, that's the correct answer. Okay, they get full point. Now question number 2 is for Juventus. Watch the video properly and answer the question given there. So there's a direct question for Juventus. You have to tell what was this goal by Diogo Maradona.
Hand of God.
famously-
Hand of God.
That's the correct answer. That is the hand of God. Next we move to Liverpool. Again, a video coming up, and see the question: who is the person seen leading the race and what record did he break? A very famous personality in this sport. Yes, Team Liverpool.
The person is Michael Phelps.
Record.
He broke the record of this most gold medals in a single season of Olympics and
Okay, I will give you point. Can you tell how many golds?
8.
Wow, wonderful. That was Michael Phelps with 8 gold, and that was a record and is still there. Okay, so full points to Liverpool. Now the direct question goes to Barcelona. Watch the video and see who is the driver in this video. You should be able to catch hold of the answer because you will find yourself in that place. So already Liverpool has gone for it. Yes, Liverpool. You have to answer now. You have to tell what happened and also the date.
So it was the final of the 2023 ICC Cricket World Cup between Australia and India, where Australia defeated India in Narendra Modi Stadium on 19th November 2023.
How can you remember the date also so perfectly? Wow, wonderful. We all have faced this. Remember 19th November 2023. What a heartbreaking day we all had. Okay, perfect answer. So that was the 6th one. Now the 7th question coming up. What has been blanked out here? Try to relate. Yes, Barcelona. You have to answer now.
Airtel.
Huh?
Airtel.
Airtel is the correct answer. Next question, please. On July 2021. So, which one? Okay, Juventus has went for it. You have to answer now. You need to answer. I can't give you time now.
Sir, the old motto or the new one?
New one.
New one.
Or old motto is there. What got added as in the new one?
Higher, stronger, faster.
Wrong answer. If you would have noticed while entering the phase E, this answer is available outside. It is higher, faster, stronger. We're already there. Together got added. See that word. Solidarity was telling you about that. Okay. So Juventus minus 10. We move to the next question. Take a proper look. Enough information to get it correct is okay. Already Everton has gone for it. Yes, your answer please. Once you have pressed the buzzer, your answer should come. No, I can't wait so much time. If you have pressed the buzzer, negative point minus for them. No one will get point because buzzer is there. You can answer still, we'll see how much you know. Wow, wonderful answer. That was Mohan Bagan. Be quick in the buzzer. That was Mohan Bagan. The jersey killer itself is a big hint there. Next question, please. Next question. Yes, Barcelona.
Pickleball.
Pickleball is the correct answer. So Barcelona has scored a lot of points here. Let's see where they have moved and where are the other teams here.
Team Mavericks yet to score points, but we are sure they'll do that in the next round. Team Raptors at 50 points. Team Juventus at 20 points. Team Liverpool at 65 points. Team Everton at 75 points. And Barcelona has completely changed the order of the quiz and they're at 180 points.
That was how much?
180 points.
That's a big lead they have done in this buzzer round. So we come to the fifth and the final round. So let's have the rules here and please pay attention to the rules properly. It's a final round of the quiz, long connect. Format is written, you will be writing in your sheet of paper. I will come across to check. First clue, you are correct, plus 50, minus 50. Second is plus 40, minus 40. Third clue is plus 30, minus 30. Second is plus 20, minus 20. And fifth clue, plus 10, minus 10. Be alert. You will be writing in your paper, so it means I am allowing to all. It's not a buzzer round, so I will come across to check. Okay? Question please. And wait a minute, there is only one question in this round. Because the minus is there, you can take a second attempt also with the next clue. So remember, there is only one question in this round. You don't have a multiple question. First slide please of this question. X was born on October 29, 1989. If you're writing the answer, call me. If you're writing the answer, call me. Just raise your hand if you're writing the answer. It is plus 50, minus 50. Anyone taking a chance? No one? If no one is there, then I go to the second question in this connect. Yes, second slide please. X will be bowling coach of Sunrisers Hyderabad IPL 2026. Right? Please write your answer if you are answering. Kindly take a note. Scorers, kindly take a note. So we have correct answer from Mavericks, Everton and Juventus. So the answer, we cannot go to the more slides because we have So because the answer has come, we can show the other slide and show the answer. It was informed in the morning today. If you were attentive enough, you could have easily got the answer. Okay? So let us see all the slides and you come to know the person whom you saw it in the morning. Already answered. No. Answer has come out. I cannot give a fresh one because they can't answer because they've answered correctly. Okay? Okay, just a minute. Even Barcelona gets correct. Even Barcelona gets correct. Sorry. So with that, we come to the end of the quiz. Let us see what the final score stands at. By the time scoring is finalized, I felt most of you had come well prepared. Some of you missed some of the answers with a few seconds. That made the difference. But what I felt is you all are big lovers of sports and you know a lot of information about what you are watching. Well done. You should keep up this habit. Good enough. Let us see the scores. We have the Mavericks with 40 points, Raptors with 50, Juventus as 60, Liverpool comes the second runners-up with 65, Everton the first runners-up with 115, And Barcelona with 220 points is the winner of this quiz on the pitch. Well done. Congratulations to all. Thank you. We end this quiz on the pitch.